Shiva here. So yeah, so today actually I like to discuss about um, the difference between the inventory management and the warehouse management. So what is the main difference? Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss about the difference and similarities between inventory management and warehouse management. It also compares the inventory management and warehouse management systems and explains how they work together. So, as everybody know that inventory management, where the inventory can be taken place at the storage location level, whereas in warehouse management it is taken at the bin level, right? So, the warehouse management is a process of handling inventories and related tasks within the warehouse. Say, for example, for moving from one bin to another bin, that is internal warehouse movements. Actually, we need a transfer order to be created and confirmed. Okay. So, inventory management deals with managing the stocks for the whole business and forecasting business trends. Okay, this is a main difference. So I can say the warehouse management is at the granular level of inventory maintenance, whereas the inventory management is at the top level. Is over the warehouse level. So I can say the WM will be the subset of inventory management for maintaining the stocks, right? And which helps forecasting the business trends. Okay. So now we have in mind what is inventory management, right? So inventory management is a method for forecasting, ordering, receiving, and allocating the stock. The purchasing manager will use seasonality and historical sales trends to forecast demand. So inventory includes raw material, parts, semi-finished or parts, and finished goods or products. So now, what is uh, the warehouse management? So the warehouse management involves managing the stocks and picking and packing activities in a warehouse. So where the inventory is taking place at the bin level. The practical or practice use of demand trends data to place the best selling items near the packing areas to expedite shipping and dictate which items to use to fill orders, such as items and closest expiration date. So, what do inventory management and warehouse management have in common? So, the inventory management and warehouse management are similar disciplines in case of maintaining the inventories, as both aid in moving inventory from the supplier to the end customer efficiently and effectively. So each system will try to maintain the KPIs, say purchasing, or actually the inventory KPIs and everything. So warehouse KPIs, everything, stock management, order KPIs and delivery KPIs, everything will be interlinked. Okay, each involves strong shipping and reordering of stock. So they share following features, common features. Both use software, radio frequency identification (RFID), and barcode tools to improve efficiency and accuracy. Both provide visibility into all stock, either for one warehouse or the entire company. So difference between inventory management and warehouse management. Okay. So the inventory management and warehouse management are the two phases of managing stock. Inventory management provides a high-level view, while the warehouse management focuses on the details of movement of stock. Inventory management focus on overall inventory levels and their statuses, provide information to calculate sales trends, profit margins, and holding costs, determine reorder points based on demands and preferred stock levels, and then finally, as a fourth point, shows the inventory record and shows inventory availability status for the fulfillment. Whereas warehouse management tracks the movement and location of stock within the warehouse, analyzes the sales trends, profit margins, and holding cost, and reveals opportunities to streamline the task. So inventory management systems was, if you compare the inventory management and warehouse management, right? So an inventory management system track all the stock in every warehouse It's a overall view of the stock within the plant, right? The inventory management will depict that, and documents which warehouse stores it. A warehouse management system, in other case, tracks where each type of stocks resides in the warehouse. So the two solutions often work together. So that is what we are calling IM and WM. So inventory management systems track all the inventory across all locations, whereas warehouse management systems track stock movement and locations within the warehouse. Second point, provide an overview of all the inventory in the inventory management system, where in the case of warehouse management system, generate reports on stock status. And third point, in case of inventory management system, focus on maintaining inventory levels to fulfill projected orders, whereas warehouse management system focus on picking, packing, and shipping of stock. So create rules for picking and packing and guides users through them to ensure efficiency. So an inventory management system is a software that manages the supply chain and delivery systems. Companies use an IMS to manage raw materials in manufacturing and handle finished goods for the retail. One of the key benefits of the inventory management software is automation. The system can define replenishment point and then use and then get automatic reminders when stock gets low and provides prompt for cycle checks based on your settings. Managers use the software to trace a product by customizable groupings such as expiration date as well as lot and serial number. This allows you to trace a component or a raw material to the finished goods and finally to the customer order. If a recall happens, you can trace what components were used to make a specific products and which customers received the systems. So for advice on selecting the right software for your company, so we need to choose the right inventory management systems and guide to all inventory management user management system futures. To understand why the inventory management software is crucial for warehouse management, we need to go for why the software for inventory management is critical to an efficient warehouse. So both are interrelated, but actually, as again I'm saying, warehouse management system deals the inventory within the warehouse, whereas inventory management can be is dealing within the plant. Okay, that is a vast difference. So the coverage area of the inventory management is more than the warehouse management. Okay, because actually within a single plant we have many multiple warehouses are there. So I can say warehouse management is a granular uh, type of inventory management. I can say a warehouse management system is a software that manages daily warehouse tasks. Managers use a WMS to get a detailed data on stock levels and define on standardized picking, packing, and shipping activities. The solution tracks goods from the warehouse through the customer delivery. Warehouse management software is either a standalone program or a part of the entire resource planning, enterprise resource planning suite. Both the solutions help improve output, save money, and satisfy customers. Companies turn to warehouse management solution when they can no longer use spreadsheets to manage replenishment and fulfillment activities. Okay, so the system records such as specific size, weight, color, serial number, lot, and case. So since the software stores details on all the stock, it can pinpoint the location of the item in the warehouse and its purpose. For example, a WMS can tell you the bin number, the picking sequence, and whether the stock is designated for the picking or reserve. The software may also track information such as loading, dock door location, and how quickly the staff picks and packs items. Okay, so integrating inventory management and warehouse management system to grow your operations. Okay, today business needs a real-time access to inventory and order status. Automating your inventory and warehouse process will make a difference as you adjust or scale your business. Whether you are looking for an inventory management system, so or a warehouse management system or a both. Okay, so consider in a NetSuite, its cloud-based inventory management solution offers an automated replenishment and accurate cycle counting. Traceability allows you to track items by lot or serial number through multiple warehouses. The warehouse management model provides an activity tracking dashboards, integrated barcoding, expiration and shelf life tracking, that is a slid check, okay, and suggest put away definitions. So we have many important aspects in case of WM for the material tracking, where the material sits and where the material is put away or picked, right? So we can use an inventory management system and warehouse management system to reduce the handling cost and increase the cash flows, right, for an overall management. So now you can understand as a final or as a overview of this video, inventory management can be taken place at a overall level within the with respect to the plant, with reference to the plant, whereas the warehouse management, the inventory is taking place at the bin level, and it is, we can say, the warehouse management where the inventory is taking at a granular level of measure, where you can track the where the material is seated in the warehouse, whether it is put away in which location and where it is, from where it is picked. So all these details can be taken care by the warehouse management. So it is a very granular method of inventory management. Thanks for watching video. Hope it helps to learn the new information in the ERP world. Thanks. This is Shivakumar again. Thanks for the continuous support.